Introduction to Google Sheets Automation.
What? Automating Google Sheets with Python can save time and eliminate repetitive tasks. Whether you're managing data, generating reports, or analyzing trends, you can use Python scripts to streamline the process. This guide will walk you through the essentials of setting up and running Python scripts to automate your Google Sheets tasks.
Setting up your environment.
To get started, you'll need Python installed on your computer, along with a few libraries. The most popular library for connecting Python to Google Sheets is gspread, and you'll also need Google's API client. Don't forget to create a Google Cloud project and enable the Google Sheets API. Download the credentials file, as it's essential for authentication.
Connecting Python to Google Sheets.
After setting up your environment, import the necessary libraries and use the credentials file to authenticate. With authentication complete, you can open a Google Sheet by its title or unique key. This step creates a live link between your Python code and your spreadsheet, allowing you to read from or write to Google Sheets directly.
Automating data entry.
Python scripts can automatically add, update, or delete rows and columns in your Google Sheets. For example, you can create a script that takes user input or data from another source and inserts it into specific cells. Automated entry eliminates manual copying and reduces errors, making routine updates much faster and more reliable.
Data analysis and reporting.
Automation with Python isn't just about entering data. You can also create scripts to analyze the information in your sheets. Calculate totals, generate summaries, or produce visual charts. Then write these results back to the sheet or download them. This approach is ideal for recurring reports and quick insights without manual calculations.
Final tips and best practices.
Always protect your credentials. Never share your authentication file. Test scripts with sample data before running them on important spreadsheets. Schedule your automation using tasks or cron jobs for regular updates. By combining Python's flexibility with Google Sheets accessibility, you can simplify your workflow and focus on more important tasks.